Now we will see basic attack of cross-site scripting. How to hunt for cross-site scripting. Three stages for hunting. The one is find input parameter. Give any input there. If your input reflect or are stored back, there may be cross-site scripting. On that parameter, try to execute any JavaScript code there. If you succeed to execute any JavaScript, then there is a cross-site scripting. So find some common pages such as contact us, search bar, comment box, forums, sign up, login page, etc. and try to inject your JavaScript there or try to find cross-site scripting there. So I picked this website first, testphp.vulnwev.com, and I'm seeing here a search bar. Let's give input there Batman. So my Batman is directly reflecting. There may be cross-site scripting. So I will execute a normal script there. That is script alert 1 and script tag close. See, it's executed. That means search bar was vulnerable. Now let's try on some other field. Let's go to categories, posters, comment. There are two parameters, name and comment. So I don't know which one is vulnerable. So I'll give Batman 1 and Batman 2. Whomever will reflect, I will try on that. So Batman 1 is reflecting. That means Batman 2 was not vulnerable. So basically, the name parameter is vulnerable, comment parameter is not vulnerable. So I'll give script alert 1 and I give anything. Click on submit. See, you got a pop-up. So your JavaScript code is executing. You can try on anywhere, okay? Try on any. Let's cat is also a parameter. If I'm giving a hello here, see, hello is reflecting. Let's try to execute a JavaScript code there. Script alert 1 script type. See, it's executing. Yes, you can also go for guest book. See this, there is also input field. You can do script alert 1 script tag close, submit. It's also executing. You can try to sign up page. There is a login page. I'm giving hello 1 and hello 2, which I don't know which one is vulnerable. Let's click on login. So you have to check in the browser view page so that your input is reflecting or not. So hello 1, even hello is not reflecting. So that means both the parameters are not vulnerable. Now try and sign up here. There's a multiple parameters. So I'll give her hello 1, hello 2. Password will be same. So I'll give hello 2 even, hello 3, hello 4, hello 5@hello.com, hello, or you can give any numeric value, hello 6. Let's click on sign up. So I got to know that all the are vulnerable. Hello 1 is vulnerable, hello 2 is vulnerable, hello 3 is vulnerable, hello 6 is vulnerable, but hello 4 is also vulnerable. So you can attack on anyone. You can just go there, you can just fire a script, normal script alert 1 script tag close. See, it's executing. That means that parameter was vulnerable. Now let's try on this page. See, this is a pp equal to 12. If I'm giving a hello here, see, this pp is also parameter. It's a get parameter. So hello is not reflecting in directly. So I'll view page source. I will do view page source, search here. So hello is reflecting here, and it's reflecting in double quote closing. So let's understand the logic behind this. See this. Basically, browser executing HTML, and we know that JavaScript can work with HTML. So your input is taken by pp parameters and it's in double quote closing. So if you will give anything, let's if you give here a script, so script alert 1 script tag close, let's check view page search what happened. Now see, copy this, what happened there. pp, see, you gave input, you gave input this script alert 1 and script tag close. It's going to insert in where pp, because pp is taking as a value, so it won't execute. If you have to execute, you have to first close the input function. Close the input function means close that function where your input is reflecting. So I got to know that pp is closing by double quote and the whole function is closing by this, this. So because see this, your input is reflecting in where? Your input is reflecting in this double quote closing. If you will close this here only, then what will happen? Hello will be outside, and we don't care about the other part because our goal is to execute our JavaScript code. So instead of hello, if you will give this what? Script alert 1 and script tag close. So what will happen? See, pp will get closed here, all the function will be get closed on the HTML, our code will get executed, and we don't care about the other parts. So see here now, if I will fire this right click, copy, let's fire this, or let's just do here double quote closing because pp was closing by double quote closing. See, it's executing. So likewise you have to try on others. Okay, now let's try on some live websites. Woodland Worldwide, I'm giving here hello. Let's see, hello is reflecting, as well as you have to check also view page source where it's reflecting. You can view page source, search here hello. So hello is reflecting where? Double quote closing. So your payload will be what? First close that function, double quote closing. Now start your payload, start script alert 1 and script tag close. Let's try this on that website, the Woodland website. See, it's executing. Likewise you can go on the, see, let's try this as a brand.nl. So there just search bar, just give hello here. So hello is reflecting. Now see, I have to check the where it's reflecting. I will go to view page source, I will search here hello. So hello is reflecting in double quote slash closing. See this, double quote for value and this slash closing for the complete input function. So you have to close, your payload should be like this, double quote slash closing and script alert 1 and script tag close. Let's try this now. If I'll copy this, now let's fire this and let's check view page source. So let's search here alert, what happened. See, the problem was they filtered the script tag, they done the sanitizations here, they done input sanitization there, so you cannot execute any script related thing there. In that case you try on other parameters. Let's try on this search location, this is also input field. I'll give Batman there, I'll check view page source, I'll search a Batman there. So Batman is again reflecting in double quote slash closing. Let's fire same thing there, let's copy this, let's fire same thing there. See, it's executing. So likewise you have to try on other website. You can, let's try on this website, shop lenovo.co.in. So you can search on search bar. Let's click on search bar. Let's click on hello. Hello is reflecting. Let's check view page source where it's reflecting. Let's search here hello, and hello directly reflecting in single quote. Okay, title. So you can also use this as a closing single quote title, and you can start your script there. Script alert 1 script tag close. Let's copy this. Let's go to there. Let's search here. So see, right, what happened now? It's not executing. See this? It's just taking as a string. Let's check view page source. What happened there? So I'll search alert there. See what happened? They break your code in HTML encoding. So this is, they are sanitizing their input field. So this is security. Okay, you cannot execute. You can turn any other payload, but according to me, you won't execute any other payloads there. We'll try in advanced vectors. Okay, don't worry about that. So find any other input field. I'll click on this login or sign up. Let's go to sign up page. So there is a first name. I'll try hello 1 because I don't know which one is vulnerable. I'll try hello 2. Let's give email something. Let's say offensive hunter @gmail.com. I'll give my phone number. It's okay. Now let's log in this. Don't worry, you cannot make call to my phone number. Okay. So let's click on sign up. So I have to check where it's see. Now it's storing. See this? It's reflecting as well as it's storing your data. See this? You gave hello 1 and hello 2. So there is a stored based cross scripting. So if you will do edit here, let's give hello 1. See, what if I will give instead of hello 1, I will give hello script alert 1 and a script tag close. What will happen? Let's click on save. See, it's executing. So whenever you will, let's log out, okay, and let's log in again. I'm logging with my credential offensive hunter. Okay, sorry, to login offensive hunter @gmail.com, and my password was something like this. So I logged in. After login, it's executing automatically. So server is delivering to your browser. So this is called stored based cross-site scripting. I hope the basic cross-site scripting clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session over there. Okay. Thank you.